So, yeah, I wanted to tell you about my hair. I already did one wash and it's already starting to fade. Um, but I I don't think I measured out my hair properly. Um, or maybe I had more hair before the bleach destroyed it, but I feel like too little of it is in the purple and the pink, and then you got the blue and the orange, and most of it was green and yellow. As far as the yellow, here's the yellow. Let me go back just a wee tad so you could see the yellow. Yellow and green. So the thing that kind of disappointed me. So the thing that disappointed me about the yellow was I had bought Funky Yellow. That's their new Kiss Temptation. I looked up swatches of it, and it was like a darker yellow. And so I went out and bought another bottle of Electric Yellow from Kiss Express, and those are all discontinued now because they have the Kiss Temptation. So I thought it was gonna be brighter, but it's still like a very just a regular yellow, not a neon. I really wanted it to be bright, but this is Vivid Violet Cyan, not lime green, neon green, neon orange. This is Atomic Pink, and when I first put it on, it looked magenta. I was so mad, but then as you wash it out, it's like a neon pink. And then I did the neon orange and the electric yellow. So now I got a bunch of yellow. So that was kind of frustrating. But anyway, so yeah, it took me about an hour. My hands were hurting. Well, actually, my arms were hurting. Uh, so, so, so yeah, I leave it in. I left it for about 4 hours, and then I jumped in the shower, washed my hair, conditioned it. Um, so yeah, I would like to eventually cut my hair because it's very scraggly. But when I bleach it, it just keeps ruining my ends. So I figure when I'm done bleaching, I don't know when that's gonna be. I'm hoping after this year, or by the end of this year, I'm just gonna leave it alone. I guess when these colors finish, I'll just leave it alone. But so yeah, I'll cut off the scraggly ends. I was letting it grow a little. If I wasn't bleaching it anymore, definitely I would have cut all my ends. Speaking of cutting, I did get a little bit of a haircut from my grand bunny. She chewed off this, and let me see, where is it? And this. She doesn't like to be picked up, but she will sit on your lap. Or so I was. I play Nintendo. Yes, I was playing Nintendo in my daughter's room, and the bunny jumped to the bed and then jumped on my lap, then crawled up to my ear, and I could hear it so cute. It was so funny, and she chewed off my hair. Anyway, I might be bald. Anyway, so yeah, I really love this hair. When I went out with my husband, about 6 people in a matter of like 3 or 4 hours were telling me how much they loved my hair. One woman, she cracked me up. She said, "Your hair is effing fantastic." Anyway, I really do like these colors. These are very pretty. Once these finish, I'm probably gonna bleach it out and just leave in. Just let my hair start to grow out gray. I might most likely put some gray in it to even out as it grows out. So yeah, so that's that for my hair.